Welcome to my YouTube channel. Dear student, in previous class I discussed about how we balance any chemical equation. In today's lesson I shall discuss about the basic rule of chemistry. Okay, look. Law of chemical combination. There are 5 rules. Number 1, law of conservation of mass. B, law of definite or constant proportion. Number C, law of multiple proportion. D, Gay-Lussac law of gaseous volume. Number 5, Avogadro law. Okay, these 5 are the basic rule or law of chemical combination. Look, first we discuss about the law of conservation of mass. French scientist Antoine Lavoisier gave this rule. Antoine Lavoisier gave this law in the year 1774. Somewhere it written 17. Statement. This law states that matter can neither be created nor converted from one form to another. This law states that matter can neither be created nor destroyed. It can be converted from one form to another form. And in other words, I can also write that in a chemical reaction In a chemical reaction, total mass of the reactant site is always equal to the total mass of product site. If I give you an example, you can clear the statement. Look, if N2 and H2 react themselves to form 2NH3. Okay, look, this also gas, this also gas, it also gas. What is the molecular mass of N2? It is what? 28. What is the molecular mass of hydrogen? It is 2. 3 hydrogen present there. That's why 2 into 3 it is 6 gram. These are the total mass of the reactant site. And the value of this is what? Clear or not? Clear? Now look. What is the mass of the product side? 2 into nitrogen atomic mass is 14 plus atomic mass of hydrogen is 1, 3 hydrogen present there. That's why it becomes this. So what is the value it comes? It also 34 gram. If any reaction carried out in a closed vessel, then always the mass of the reactant site is equal to the mass of the product site. Clear? But this law not obey when scientist Einstein give its equation E is equal to mc square, then this this equation come, then it is not true. Okay, here E is the energy, m is the mass of the particle, c is the velocity of the light. Clear? B, law of constant or definite proportions. Okay, Joseph Proust, French chemist, gave this law in the year 1799. Who gave? Joseph Proust. Proust, French scientist. What is the statement? This law states that the proportion of elements by weight in a given compound will always remain exactly same. This law states that the proportion of elements by weight in a given compound will always remain exactly same. In other words, we can say that irrespective of its source, origin, or its quantity, the percent composition of elements by weight in a given compound will always remain the same. This law states that the proportion of elements by weight in a given compound will always remain exactly same. In other words, we can say that irrespective of its source, origin, or its quantity, the percent composition of elements by weight in a given compound will always remain the same. What does this mean? If I give you an example, you can clear what this statement says. Look, if you collect water from pond or from sea or from groundwater, you see always the formula of water is H2O and the ratio of hydrogen is to oxygen is equal to 2:1 always. Irrespective of its source, origin, or its quantity, the percent composition of elements by weight in a given compound will always remain the same. Look here, if you collect 1 liter water, its also formula is H2O, that is the quantity, it's also H2O. Origin, if you collect from pond, sea, ground level, always the formula of water is H2O. And the source is also pond, sea or ground level water. There also the formula of water is H2O. Clear, student? Thank you. Visit again.